Hey guys, welcome back. These are the last three finds from day 6 and 7. I decided to combine the three of them. The two Sago brands are from day 6, and this one right here, brush chrome with the etching, is from day 7. So let's take a quick look. We have 2018 Sago brands with a girl in a pose, and you've got K 2017 Bradford, Pennsylvania. Looks to be unfired. Yep. There you go. Oops. H 2017. So it looks like the original insert. Very neat. I mean, these are newer, like only 4 years ago. I just like Sago brands and then the graphics that they put on it, so it's pretty neat. I picked up another of the Sago brands earlier during my trip, and it has a different graphic, so I've got 3 now. This one's 2020, stamped 2018. This one has a sticker on it, so I'll leave the sticker on for now. Once again, a closer look at the graphics. And then I picked this one up on the final day. It was a pawn shop. Has the etching Ronald Christmas 2016 Mom. And this has the 2 slashes up top and the bottom. It's got that vintage look to it. It is not vintage. It's from 06. Made in USA. Wonderful. This one was fired and used. And I picked this one up locally in Burlington. Also 06, the insert. So this marks the end of my 7-day road trip. Thank you guys for joining me on the road trip and for all your tips and tricks and wonderful comments and suggestions. Keep an eye out for other videos I'll be making where I do deep dives in. So stay tuned, and thank you very much.